What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So in today's video, we have a subscriber request. So I got an email from a subscriber asking us to do a video review on a credit card. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Fit MasterCard. So the Fit MasterCard is a subprime credit account that'll give you an initial credit limit of $400, and you could actually double the credit limit up to $800 after consecutive on-time payments. But before we jump into the review, I just wanted to remind everyone watching this video that we're not recommending, endorsing, or telling you to apply for this particular account. This is for informational purposes only. So the Fit MasterCard is underwritten by the Bank of Missouri, and it's marketed by Continental Finance. So some of you might have heard of Continental Finance. They also market the Reflex MasterCard as well as the Surge MasterCard, although those cards are underwritten by a different financial institution. So these are separate credit products. So this is going to be geared towards people with very low credit score. So if you already have pretty decent credit or fair credit, then this is an account that you probably shouldn't be applying for, but you can get an instant decision. So they give you an initial credit limit of $400, and then you can double your limit to $800 after you make your first required 6 monthly minimum payments on time. Now, the application process is very straightforward. You're just going to be entering some basic information: first name, last name, home address, city, date of birth, email, social security number, as well as your total monthly income. So now this is going to be stated income. They're not verifying this information on the back end, but you can include alimony, child support, any separate maintenance income, or even if you have some type of spousal income, you can include this in your total monthly income. And then some other basic information they ask you about: your phone number, whether or not you have an acting checking account or debit card, if you intend to use the card for cash advances, and if you would like an additional card. One thing you have to remember: if you do request an additional card, there is a fee associated with it, and you do have to be a U.S. resident over the age of 18, over the age of 19 in the state of Alabama. Now let's check out some of the details about this credit card. So right off the bat, you can see it's a 29.99% APR on purchases, 29.99 APR on cash advances. You also have several different fees that you have to be aware of. Now, before you even receive the card, they have this $89 one-time processing fee. So they won't even ship the card to you until you pay this $89 one-time processing fee. Now, on top of the processing fee, they also have a $99 annual fee, which they're going to deduct directly out of your credit limit. So right here, it says based on a credit limit of $400, your initial limit will be $301. Now, they're basically just deducting the annual fee right out the top. Now, on top of the processing fee and the annual fee, you also have a monthly maintenance fee. The monthly maintenance fee is going to be $75 annually, but it's going to be billed at $6.25 every single month. You also have a $30 additional card fee. So right up above, if you do request to have an additional card, they will charge you $30. So just keep that in mind. If you don't want to pay the $30, make sure you just check no right there, and they won't charge you for the $30 additional card fee. Now, they also have cash advance fee of $5 or 5% of the amount, whichever is greater. You also have 3% foreign transaction fee on every single transaction. And you also will have a late payment or return payment fee of up to $40. So as you could tell, there's a lot of fees packed into this particular credit card. They also give you the option of credit protection. So this is in the event that you're unable to pay off your balance. This is a monthly fee of 99 cents for every $100 of the outstanding balance. So let's say if you owe $200, then it's going to be a monthly fee of about $1.98. Now, just to highlight some of the features, there's an initial credit limit of $400. And again, your credit limit can double to $800 as long as you make the minimum monthly payment for the first 6 months. So after that, they'll double your limit from $400 to $800. And this does use the MasterCard payment network. So here's my take on the Fit MasterCard overall. Now, this has a lot of fees, right? So you're going to have the $89 processing fee before you even receive your card. They're going to charge you $99 for the annual fee that's deducted right out of the credit limit. So just thinking of that, before you even receive the card, you're going to be paying $89 plus $99. So about $188 just to get a $400 credit limit with only $301 available. And don't forget, you have the monthly maintenance fee as well of $6.25. Now, for such a low credit limit, there are a lot of fees involved with this particular account. Now, you have to remember this card is geared towards people with very low credit scores. So if you're someone who has like a 500 credit score, then you might be able to get approved for this. But I wouldn't recommend this because there's a lot of other options that aren't going to cost you as much in terms of different fees, as well as the interest rate. You're paying about 30% APR on any balance that you might carry. Now, I'm not hating on this card, but at the end of the day, there are a ton of great options out there, different alternatives that are going to be less costly. I think you're probably better off even opening up a secure credit card that's not going to pull your credit and will unsecure after a certain period of time. So some of the options include the Sable MasterCard. You also have the Academy Visa, where it will unsecure, you get your money back, and there's no hard inquiry. So overall, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this for anyone, even if you have really bad credit. I think there's a lot of other alternatives out there if you're looking to build credit or if you're just looking to get access to some capital. I've pinned a bunch of different options in the description of the video. Let me know your comments and questions in the comment section right down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.